So I think guys, even this season is good. If you are planning, you can come. And you know, right now the trail is empty, no rush, nothing. So only you are at the trail and can enjoy a lot then. Oh guys, फिर से बारिश शुरू हो गई और अभी जो प्रॉब्लम ये है, समस्या ये है that we don't have our raincoats with us. From forest, leeches can directly come and fall on us. Yeah, that's the thing. So let's see guys.
You're from India?
Which city?
Gorakhpur.
See, he's enjoying today. Yesterday, full of cramps. Yeah, so
Everywhere
beautiful.
beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, and full is sweating now. Oh God. What an experience, man. What an experience. Hello guys, good morning. So this is day 2. Ehsan here, Wanderlust Explorer, welcomes you from Himalaya. And right now I just woke up and it's all foggy, and you can check the fog around me. So wind is cold, and this is from the region of Pritam Deorali, which is at the height of 2100 meters. It was worth an experience. So far so good, I'm enjoying. And now just I will do some stretching, and then we'll start our journey from here after a breakfast. So we started our journey for today. Yeah, let's move forward guys. This is the main line. Keep moving forward, keep moving forward. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. So that was lovely lady here, who is the owner of this tea house, and it was very good experience by staying here. So, Madhav, today we are going down.
No, I mean just for a while down.
Okay.
Just for 5 minutes, and then we just walk. Again, it's just flat for a while.
All right.
Progressively climbing again.
All right.
Energetic music.
Yes, like we need that, right?
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think? We should have some flute music in the jungle with all this environment. Which one is shorter?
This is easier way.
This is easier.
This is shorter.
This is
I
short.
would say this is easier and shorter
Okay.
compared to this one, because this is the new trail.
How much time from here and how
But
much?
okay, I would say if we go this way, I would say it makes like 35 to 35 minute difference. The
Oh.
time, and this is shorter, easier also.
All right, that's cool. So guys, you already heard what Madhav said. We are following Madhav and we are going to explore this trail. Madhav is putting tobacco on the shoes because he's saying now the area which we are going to explore, it's
prone to leeches. It's very dangerous trail. We have to be cautious, and therefore to taking the precaution, we are just putting tobacco for our safety. So Bilal is moving forward right now, and right now we are like trekking from this dense forest, as you can see.
सो हामी चाहिँ यो मार्दी ट्रेकको सेकेन्ड डे हैन आज. सो वेयर अबाउट टु रिच द के ठाउँ भन्छ यसलाई, लभली हिल. अब 2-3 मिनटमै पुगिन्छ. अहिले चाहिँ इट्स बिन लाइक 10 बजेको छ हैन. सो विल हेभ अ कप अफ टी एन्ड गो टु द नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेसन. हामी चाहिँ त्यहाँ गएर खाना खानेवाला छौँ हैन. अनि त्यसपछि आज चाहिँ हामी फ्रम देयर फरेस्ट क्याम्प हुँदै आई थिङ्क रेस्ट क्याम्पमा गएर बस्नेछौँ. सो अलिक चाँडै नै पुग्यो भने चाहिँ रेस्ट क्याम्पभन्दा अलिक टाढापट्टि लो क्याम्प भन्ने ठाउँमा पनि पुग्न सक्छौँ. अनि ओके द्याट्स मच.
So guys, we are at our first stop for today, day 2 for Mardi Himal trek, and it is Hotel Greenview, lovely hill viewpoint. It was good experience today, not that much hard. It was awesome, mostly walking in dense forest. That's it. So I'm sweating. Still it's full fog around, so we don't have like that much mountain view. Chacha hoy?
Chacha
What's the meaning
hoy.
of chacha hoy?
Chacha hoy means festival mood. We play this when there's
Chacha hoy. So guys, right now I'm enjoying swing with so much beautiful view, and it's really amazing. Just check the view.
ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है.
Uncle,
Yeah,
2 minutes.
we are reaching Pokhari, which is only
त्यहाँ बस्नेहरू होइन
2
होइन.
minutes far now. So this pond is there in jungle, and we'll do some rest here, maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll move forward. You know, the most important thing for the trekking is to move forward. Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
Very good.
How is it going?
We are just chilling here.
You're not moving forward?
Coming back. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
You're from India.
Which city?
Gorakhpur.
I'm from Karachi.
कराची.
Yeah.
मिले इन दोस्त से हमें.
Yeah.
पता नहीं ये सियासतकर्ताओं ने हमें आपस में एक लकीरें खींच करके बांट दिया है, बट इन लोगों को लकीरें भूल करके एक ब्रदरहुड में रहना चाहिए।
Exactly.
और बताना चाहिए कि वी आर ऑल
brothers.
वी आर ऑल फ्रॉम होमो
Yes.
चैंपियन।
Super amazing. So nice to meet with you guys.
We very
My name is Ehsan.
ऐसा
Yeah. What's your
that
name?
guy's name is
Bilal.
Bilal. I am Vikash. This is Bunty.
Okay. Bunty, nice to meet you.
That person is known as Anup.
Anu.
And this person is
Money.
Manikeshwar.
Yeah.
And in brief, we can call him Mani.
Money. We're enjoying a lot. We just met with some friends from India, and it was really nice to meet with those guys. Superb experience, you know. Very positive people, and always, you know, we are having very wonderful experience.
सब देखने वालों को रिकमेंड करेंगे कि एटलीस्ट लाइफ में वन टाइम ट्रैकिंग जरूर करना है। वन टाइम
एक बार लाजिम ट्रैकिंग कर लेना चाहिए।
डिफरेंट वाइब है।
It's totally different. You have to do it once in your lifetime. Deadly होते हैं बिलाल ये।
अच्छा,
ये डेडली नहीं होते, इसके खाने के बाद जो खाता है वो डेडली हो जाता है।
Yeah.
वो खूनी होता है।
What Suraj is saying, these mushrooms are not deadly, but when person will eat, he will die. Wow, what a philosophy, huh? Suraj, so today Suraj is talking too much, huh? It's good.
So much energy, huh?
It's good. It's good. We are enjoying.
No cramp.
We are enjoying, you know. From morning we are, you know, our trail is in the forest, and you know, we went to Pokhri, and then now we are walking towards Dood Kharka, where we are going to do lunch, and after that we will reach forest camp. And today after forest camp we will go to rest camp, and tonight we are going to stay there in rest camp. I hope it will be amazing experience. So guys, right now we arrive at Dood Kharka, and Dood means like along the corner. Kharka means the place where, you know, animal grazing. So because it is in the middle of jungle and there are a lot of wild animals here, so that's the place name, Dood Kharka, place where animal grudges like that. So we are going to do our lunch here today, and I don't know, we'll see what is available here, maybe chow mein or something like that, and we'll try to eat here now. So let me give you some explanation regarding map also. So we are at Dood Kharka, the place where animal grazes at the corner, and you can see we already achieved height of 2550 meters, and after that we'll go to forest camp and then rest camp. Tonight we are going to stay at rest camp. So right now we are going to enjoy our meal. Bilal was sleeping also, and even I also had some good sleep here. It was really nice. Yeah. So let's try this.
So you like tomato ketchup?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good tomato ketchup. Very good tomato ketchup, some good tomato ketchup. Now again. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Tomato ketchup, chow mein mati hunde ke? It's good is tomato ketchup.
Chow mein in Himalayas on mountains. Amazing, wonderful. Super beautiful. Awesome. Fresh air.
It's very difficult to describe this, how to describe.
In words we cannot
It just
describe.
very difficult.
How this wood fallen on the ground, and then this fungus on this wood, everything, right? Amazing. This wood, everything is adding.
It's the root, this root.
Yes, see? For these tall trees, huge trees here.
And no sound of human being, no any traffic, nothing.
Love it, man. So guys, right now I am at Jo Bari. There is one hotel here only, and we had delicious lunch, and now this is Jo Bari point where we reach on the way to rest camp. So before rest camp we will go to forest camp and then rest camp. So hope you guys are enjoying. Please subscribe the channel. I'm making these wonderful videos for you guys. Yeah. Oh guys, फिर से बारिश शुरू हो गई, और अभी जो प्रॉब्लम ये है, समस्या ये है that we don't have our raincoats with us. Our one guy who already moved forward, he's carrying the raincoats, and now we don't know what we will do. Just we are praying that we can find some shelter along the way, so we can, safeguard our gadgets and our clothes, our documents. So let's see. But it's raining right now. But the best part is this, that we are not getting 100% impact of rain, because we have dense forest cover here. So that's also like a partial shelter currently. But the bad part in this is this, that from forest leeches can directly come and fall on us. Yeah, that's the thing. So let's see guys. We are running towards forest camp right now because it's raining. So here downside we have one trail which is going to Annapurna and Poon Hill, and oh, what I saw just now, there's so many buffaloes. Amazing, amazing. So guys, I am at Forest Camp now. So this is second last stop for our today's journey, and then our last step will be Rest Camp. So we made it, guys, until Forest Camp. I'm so excited, super excited. Yay!
कति चाँडो आयो नि अङ्कल
सेम पिपुल
त्यही भयो भाइ
होइन तिम्रो त लन्चै खाएको छैन
बल्ल हामी सिधा खाँदै थिएँ बल्ल
त्यो हामी कम फास्ट दिने मैले
Suraj, how's you feeling today?
I am feeling like a cheetah. I'm running.
You're cheetah, huh? Not Sherni. Yes, Madhav. How's you feeling?
very good, very relaxed.
That's
Nice walking, little just little raining, you know.
Yeah,
Just perfect.
that's good.
It's nature, the nature, yeah.
That's beautiful, right? We are leaving from Forest Camp and heading towards Rest Camp, and now there are steps for almost half an hour, and we are going to make it, guys. We are going to make it. So guys, finally we reach our base camp, and this is the sign you can see. So it means no wild animals should enter inside, and that's for day 2. It was superb experience. It was like humid, rain, little cold, fog, combination of a lot of elements. But we did it, guys. Yeah. So let's go Rest Camp, and then we'll do some rest there. Yeah. Namaste. So guys, 2600 meters high. We did it for today. It's here, Fishtail Mountain. I don't know if you guys can see that or no,
But I can see.
my eyes can see that. It's awesome. So guys, you can see right now we are playing cards, and the guy who's winning, he's giving challenge to all of us, and Suraj is winning continuously and he's giving us challenge. So now what's challenge for me, Suraj?
कुनै गीत गाउनु भने एकदम प्रेम सम्बन्धी गीत के एउटा
Okay, I want you also
Yeah,
to sing a song,
yeah.
but that must be a very romantic or
Romantic,
yeah, romantic song.
Oh, romantic, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Romantic.
Like you were expressing your feelings to your school crush or
So yeah.
Just hold it.
yeah.
Romantic hit.
So I got challenge that I have to sing very romantic song. So
Maybe like a honeymoon song.
सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आए, मुझे सांस आए, मुझे सांस आए।
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
But
14,
it's okay,
15,
it's
16,
okay.
17, 18, 19, 20.
One
It's
go,
okay.
water.
Done. 20.
Oh my instrument is like
Hey,
So
Bilal.
challenge is still going
Bilal.
on.
oh.
Can you
Yeah,
do
it's
that?
amazing.
Because I'm already.
And I'll raise
Some
उडेर जाऊ कि डाँडामा भन्ज्याङ रेशम पिरिरी रेशम पिरी
Okay.
Let's go.
दिल दियां गल्लां करांगे नाल नाल बैठ के अख नाल अख नू मिला के
Yeah.
40, how old are
So-
you? 47.
So
47.
Suraj won,
This
and
old,
then-
your old man is doing 5 push-ups.
and Mother is 48, but I feel he is
Mother
younger
is
than
more stronger.
Suraj. Yeah. So let's
push-ups, come on.
let's do it. Yes. Yeah. 1,
Woo!
2,
Woo!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh,
One is for bonus.
good eating.
One is bonus.
Good.
Suraj,
Okay, come on.
what do you think now about Mother? Huh?
What do you
Alright.
think about yourself? You
Now-
do 20 push-ups now. Come on.
Okay, hold it.
How much? How many times?
20. Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
He did 6.
Yeah, if you do 20, I will give you 30 then.
No, that's not fair. I mean,
He can do 20, I guess. You can do 20.
I don't know. I will try.
Just try, na?
No, but not try. But how much you order for him? How many times?
20 push-ups.
Oh, 20, that's
Too much.
Come on.
1,
झाडु कम हुन्छ नि त झाडु कम हुन्छ नि त
4,
I think tonight you don't need a blanket. No blanket tonight for him. No problem.
8, 9.
हारेको
Answer so much. 11. भाई ट्रैकिंग के बाद इतना पुशअप है इट्स नॉट फेयर
ट्रेकिंग में आपको हैंड का यूज हो रहा है कुछ भी नहीं
टांगे में सब यूज हो रहा है
18
one more just one just
21.
okay
Why are you being happy? If he comes at 20, you are getting more now.
So Suraj, 21.
You are older than him, na?
Yeah, I am older, of course.
You need to do at least 25.
Bilal, I think you can do it.
Yeah. Only
Just
25.
try, you know, man.
25.
Just try.
25 is
too much because
He is doing 20.
already tired
Hey, don't pretend that. Let's do.
Okay, let's do 10 push-ups.
If you get a cramp, then what happened?
No, push up with a cramp.
You need to carry him then, you know. Yeah. Okay, just 1, 2, 3,
He can do 40.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Come on, 5 more.
21, 22,
2,
23,
23,
24, 25. Yay! Did it. Delicious.